Hello, this is Dee from the Fishing Gardener, and I'm just coming to you with this video on my guava trees. So this tree right here is a strawberry guava, and guess what I got, y'all? So I haven't even been paying attention to these trees because they're more in the back of my yard, and these things, I just happened to come out here. My hubby said, "Look, there's some guavas on the tree." I didn't even know there was any guavas on the tree. And that means they've been there for a while, and they obviously ripened. So I see some of them on the ground that fell, and some are still green on the tree. You know, different ones. You can see that if that's clear. So yeah, you know, the strawberry guava is finally giving us some guavas. And this right here is my red lime. Right there. That's a very small tree right there. But I'm gonna tell you, it gives us a lot of red limes. And this is my Ruby Supreme pink guava right here. So you see some guavas on there, there. Let me bring that back. See, the camera seems to be going out of focus. I don't know why it does that. There we go. Okay, so that's my pink guava, Ruby Supreme pink guava. Let's just pan around. This was both of my strawberry guava trees. I have two of those. Got that one and that one. And then as we swing around here, this is my pink guava tree. It had a very hard chop because it was a little damaged in the wintertime, so I gave it a hard chop trying to just shape the tree. So I didn't get any guavas from this tree yet. This is the pink guava. But I will tell you, it definitely has a lot of new growth going on here. And again, we like to shape the trees as much as we can when they're younger. And because I prefer everything to be up off the ground. And then we should get a lot of guavas off of this one next year. And this right here is my Mexican cream white guava. So we're shaping this tree too. So we should be getting a lot of guavas from here next year. So yeah, that's it for my guava trees. For anybody who is interested in guavas, growing in Central Florida, Zone 9B. Yeah, so there you go with the guavas right there. And I'm happy with this because I guess it's better than nothing at all. Okay, have a blessed day. Excuse the helicopter up above. Goodbye.